In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create donut charts in Microsoft Excel. A donut chart is essentially a pie chart with a hole in the middle, perfect for showing how different categories contribute to a whole while keeping the visual clean and easy to read. Start by selecting the data you want to visualize. Click and drag to highlight a single, continuous block of cells that includes your category labels and their corresponding values. For example, you might have item names in one column and numbers in the next. Include the header row if you have one, but avoid totals or subtotals in the same selection, since those can distort the chart. Make sure there are no blank rows or columns inside the range. Excel reads contiguous blocks best. If your data is stored in different places, consider copying it next to each other on a new sheet before you proceed. With the data highlighted, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. If you're on a smaller screen and some labels are collapsed, you might see icons instead of full text. Expanding the window can help, but you can proceed either way. In the Charts group, look for the pie chart icon. Clicking it opens a gallery of related chart types. From that gallery, choose the Doughnut option. As soon as you click Doughnut, Excel creates the chart based on the cells you selected and places it on your worksheet. If the chart appears but the slices all look the same size, that's a sign only one column, likely the labels, was selected. Press ESC key to cancel the current selection, reselect both labels and values together, and try again. If the chart appears blank or shows a single slice, double-check for blank cells or stray text in the values column. You now have a working donut chart. By default, Excel assigns colors and layout automatically so you can read it right away. If the categories seem out of order, or the labels are missing, that usually comes down to how the original data was arranged, or whether headers were included in the selection. Keeping labels in the left column and numbers in the right is a simple, reliable structure. That's the whole process. Highlight your data, go to Insert, open the Pie Chart menu, and select Doughnut. From here, you can refine the look later using the chart design and format options, but the essential creation is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present your numbers with clarity and impact.